What is GeneXus? GeneXus is the leading tool to automatically create, develop, and maintain mission-critical, multi-platform applications that can easily adapt to changes in the business and new possibilities offered by technological evolution in the implementation of IT systems. Application development involves analysis, design, and implementation tasks. GeneXus performs these tasks and frees people from automatable tasks, such as designing the database and writing source code, allowing them to focus on really difficult, non-automatable tasks, such as understanding the user's problems. When we are asked to develop a software application, the client describes the problem they want to solve according to their particular vision. The first thing that we should do is interpret the reality described by our client. Next, we should build a model and design a solution that best represents that reality. It is also important that the product developed is capable of adapting to the changes of that reality and that we can make those changes in a reasonable time frame. In a traditional development methodology, the development process consists of two parts: the design of a data model that has been implemented through a database manager, and the functional analysis, which generates specifications used to build the programs to be implemented, whether through manual programming or using an interpreter or a generator. The problem with this work method is that it is based on the assumption that building a stable data model of the company is feasible, but in fact it is impossible due to the changing dynamics of reality. In the traditional method, if reality changes, we must repeat the data analysis, change the database implementation, repeat the functional analysis, and change the program's code, which is very time-consuming. Therefore, traditional methodology is not efficient when faced with frequent changes in user requirements. GeneXus offers us a declarative alternative, which, starting from users' views, captures their knowledge and systemizes it in a knowledge base. Building on this knowledge base, GeneXus automatically creates the data model in a database and builds application programs to meet the required functional needs. This methodology enables the developer to optimize his time and use it to understand the user's problems, while GeneXus generates the application in a completely automatic way, in the language of our choice, and for the database that we need. This makes it possible to incrementally develop business solutions regardless of the production platform, and allows us to quickly create completely functional prototypes that we can use to validate our design with the user. From this validation, corrections will arise, and we will impact them on the knowledge base to ensure a higher quality final product. GeneXus provides a company's development area with a series of key benefits. The developer can focus on the most essential task, such as understanding the user's need, while GeneXus automatically generates the database and programs in record time. Since GeneXus generates most of the application for us, we are able to apply the incremental development paradigm, starting with a basic implementation and progressively adding features through successive approximations. With GeneXus, we can generate prototypes that are functionally identical to the application deployed. This makes it possible to validate requirements with end users at an early stage, thus minimizing errors from the beginning of the project and achieving higher quality systems. GeneXus generates the programs in the platform that you need. If you have to change platforms, only the programs and the database have to be regenerated, with no need to write a single line of code. With GeneXus, you can integrate your legacy applications into new applications that use more up-to-date technology. You can generate applications with cutting-edge technology just by knowing how to use GeneXus, without having to learn about any other technology. In a few words, GeneXus is our best ally to be more productive and stay up to date technology-wise. In the next video, we will see GeneXus in action. Are you ready to be amazed?